Judge Vanda B is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1067, Daniel's case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, it looks like Miss Daniels brought this case before the court. And what's your name, sir?
Michael.
All right. Michael, well, what's your last name? I don't want to call you by your first name.
Clough.
Michael Clough. All right, Mr. Clough. It looks as though you were brought to court.
Unwillingly.
Okay. To be put on child support, but
Right.
she's not here.
She's never here, Your Honor. She never shows up.
All right, so tell me what's going on. Well, you know she brought you here for you to pay child support.
Before this case unfolds, take 1 second to lock in with the channel. Stories like this don't come from headlines, they come from real courtrooms, real people, and real consequences. If you want raw courtroom documentaries without filters, hit subscribe right now. Like the video so it reaches people who need to see how fast life can flip. Share it because someone out there is living this exact situation and doesn't even know it yet. Every subscribe supports deeper investigations, sharper storytelling, and more courtroom. Truths that don't make the news but shape real lives every single day.
So
Right.
what's going on with you all's situation?
I mean, not too long ago, she dropped the kids off. She was in a strange vehicle saying she was about to come up on some money, and I haven't seen her since, Your Honor.
Okay.
And I'm taking care of these kids. I got to go to work. I can't, you know, they my kids. I had them, I made them, but, you know, I got to go to work. You know?
Okay. How many kids are we talking?
5.
5 kids? She dropped out 5 kids with you?
5 kids, Your Honor. No
And
clothes,
kept going.
no nothing.
Who
and
was
kept
driving
going.
the car? Could you see?
I couldn't see. You know how it is.
No, I
Or
don't.
maybe you don't.
Tell me what you mean.
I mean, you know, these women get with these strange guys, and you know, they give them this false hope, and
The courtroom opens with tension already hanging in the air. A child support case is called, but one critical person is missing: the mother. The judge quickly realizes the father didn't even want to be here. He claims he was dragged into court, while the person demanding support never shows up. This immediately flips the narrative. Instead of an absent father, the court is now listening to a man confused, defensive, and visibly overwhelmed. What starts as a routine child support hearing suddenly turns into a mystery about responsibility, disappearance, and who is really carrying the weight.
so she was in some kind of old Cutlass with some 20s on it, and she rode off in the sunset. Haven't seen her since.
And all 5 of the kids were in that car?
All 5 of them sitting on each other's laps.
Wow.
Yeah, it was bad.
Oh my gosh. Are any of the kids in car seats or should be in car seats?
No car seats. My youngest kid didn't even have any diapers, Your Honor. I called my mom and asked her. She said no, so I had to do what I had to do.
Okay.
Yeah,
So how long ago did that happen?
like 2 months ago.
2 months.
2 months ago.
Have you heard from her at all?
Haven't heard from her at all. I sent her some texts when I got the letter about coming to court, but
Right.
I haven't heard anything since.
As the father speaks, the story becomes darker. He explains that the mother dropped off all 5 children without warning. 5 kids, no preparation, no supplies, and no explanation. She arrived in a strange car, talking about money, then vanished. According to him, the kids were packed into the vehicle unsafely. No car seats, no diapers for the youngest. This wasn't just abandonment, it was chaos. 2 months pass with no contact, no calls, no updates. The courtroom shifts from financial questions to serious concerns about safety, judgment, and parental priorities.
Okay. Did she tell you she was going to bring you to court for child support?
She did. And then she dropped the kids off, and I haven't seen her since.
Okay. So what was the conflict? Like, what happened for you all to get to the point to where she said, I'm going to file child support on you?
Well, I was working out of town, Your Honor, and I was sending her about $500 a week, but she wasn't satisfied with that. She felt like she should have $2,000 a week, and I just couldn't do it, Your Honor. I couldn't survive off giving her that much money, and, you know, I tried to work it out with her, and then I ended up getting a letter in the mail, which I thought was crazy.
Okay. Are the kids on any type of government assistance or anything?
The judge presses deeper, searching for motive. The father reveals the breaking point money. While working out of town, he sent $500 every week. That wasn't enough. The demand jumped to $2,000 a week, an impossible number for someone barely surviving. When he refused, the court papers arrived. Then the children were dropped off and the mother disappeared. The timeline paints a troubling picture. Child support used as leverage, followed by complete withdrawal. The judge now sees this case not as neglect, but as a financial dispute that spiraled out of control.
No, ma'am, Your Honor. I pay for everything.
Okay, you
Yes,
pay for
ma'am.
health insurance and everything like that?
All of it. All of it. And I work at McDonald's, Your Honor. I can't afford that, 5 kids, McDonald's salary. It's hard out here.
Okay,
For
so
a
you're
kid.
in management?
No, I work on the line. I'm a cook.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yes,
got
ma'am.
you.
Best
All right.
cook out here.
I know that's right.
Yeah.
Too bad I don't eat at McDonald's, otherwise I'll put your cooking skills to the test.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but you cook other stuff, right? You can cook outside of
Oh, yeah,
what
I
you
cook
making.
other stuff outside of work.
Okay, all right. You do like private in-home stuff, so like if me and my husband needed a private chef,
no,
you could
you
do
and
that?
Your husband don't want the stuff I cook, Your Honor.
What you cook?
I'm not at liberty to discuss that in the courtroom right now.
Reality hits hard when income is discussed. 5 children, no assistance, full responsibility, and a McDonald's paycheck. The father isn't management, he's on the grill. He pays health insurance, food, and daily needs alone. The judge lightens the moment briefly, but the struggle is real. This isn't laziness or avoidance. It's survival. The court recognizes the imbalance between expectations and reality. Child support isn't punishment, it's structure. And when one parent vanishes, the system has to adjust. The tone shifts from interrogation to resolution.
Oh, okay, got you.
Right.
Right, okay.
If you know what I mean.
I don't know what you mean, but you know what? I don't even want to know.
Yeah, you probably don't.
Okay, all right. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
I appreciate that.
No
I
problem.
left him in the car, so, I really do got to get back out there.
You left them by themselves?
What a dog watching them.
There's a dog watching the kids in the car.
The dog watching.
Is it like a German Shepherd? I have a German Shepherd.
No, it's a poodle, but he's trained to watch the kids.
So you left the poodle with the kids.
Yeah, the kids. Yeah.
How old is the oldest child?
11.
Well, I guess that's not too bad. How old is the youngest child?
2.
Oh, okay. It's not too bad, but
Yeah.
let me hurry up and get you out of here so you can go back and get with those kids,
I
okay?
appreciate that, Your
So
Honor.
we're going to dismiss.
The case takes an unexpected turn outside the courtroom. The father reveals the kids are waiting in the car with a dog watching them. It sounds absurd, but desperation doesn't follow logic. The oldest is 11. The youngest is 2. The judge moves fast, choosing practicality over paperwork. The case is dismissed. No support order, no penalties, just urgency. Get back to the kids. The courtroom understands one thing clearly right now. Stability matters more than signatures. This decision isn't about winning. It's about protecting what's left standing.
This case now, she does have the right, if she wants to refile it in the future.
Right.
That's not saying that she will get what she's looking for, but she does have the right to do that. I just want to make sure that you understand that.
Right. Well, I don't think she'll show up anytime soon. She went to Miami to get a BBL, so.
What's a BBL?
It's where, they take the fat from the stomach and put it in the butt. Yeah.
Oh,
So I
so
don't
like
know.
plastic surgery?
I guess. I mean, I seen a picture. It was 10 or 12 of them in wheelchairs at the airport. So
Okay, well,
I think
all
we're in
right.
the wrong business,
Maybe so. I need to be one of those doctors.
Right.
Okay. Well, Mr. Clough, if there is nothing further, you are free to leave and get to the car to get with those kids, okay?
Right. I'm gonna get there right now.
Before leaving, one final detail surfaces. The mother may have gone to Miami for cosmetic surgery. Whether rumor or truth, it seals the narrative. The judge reminds the father the case could be refiled someday. But today, he's free to go. This story isn't clean. It isn't fair. It's real. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more courtroom documentaries like this. Like and share to keep these stories alive. For brand sponsorships or collaborations, contact arhabshahid8 at gmail.com. Until next time, stay aware,